It's going. Yep, that way. Freaking Slimer. Shiner's still alive too. Yeah, it's there. Yeah. It's really small.
Thank God they're not biting onto it.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Andrew Zipping Shit Up. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode, Fishing Grubs. Folks, it's cold as balls out. It's snowing again. So this is the third week in a row. This giant turd and I have had some serious conditions to deal with on our Monday of fishing. So, you know that ain't gonna fucking stop us. So we're out here and we're doing it. We already got a pickerel, we got our flags up. We're gonna warm up in the shelter here for a minute. We're gonna go out and we're gonna jig up some fish. It's gonna be a jiggy day, I know it, I feel it. This place, I believe this is the first place I ever got a fish while jigging. So pretty stoked. We're gonna get into them. There's definitely gonna be perch caught, guaranteed. Probably some big old gills, and we're definitely, I promise you, we're gonna get some bass today. So hang tight. We're hoping for a big one. Small, perchy, very perchy.
Big old perch.
Told ya. There's freaking beasts in here, dude. He's still alive. He's pooping. Short, but this thing's got freaking some thickness and some shoulders. It's gonna be a big mama soon. Thanks for coming up, homie. It's my first fish of the day, sorta, ish.
It feels so weird looking at it.
That's awesome. Andrew's first jigged fish of the day. Oh, you missed, bro. You missed. That was a terrible dive. Son. This is the one that was screaming earlier. Little bitch. He's off. Sweet. Adios, Fokker. Small perchy.
Big perch.
Definitely a big perch. And definitely still the same shiner. Look at that thing. It's a giant. We're out here, snowstorm. We don't care. What do we care? Burrow. Hitting them. They're digging yours. Yours is just all. I had that one sitting under the light. Yep. Dope.
Big gill.
That is a fatso.
See ya.
Dope. Yeah! Holy shnikes! Oh my God, dude! Oh my God! Yeah. Dude.
Jesus.
That mark came out of nowhere. I was about to give up on this hole, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh, that's a mark. And then I was like, oh, that's a big mark.
You wanna weigh that thing?
Oh, I wanna measure it. But yeah, I might as well. Holy mother of God. Like 2, I think? Wow. This isn't state record, but that is a freaking donkey, folks. About ready to give up on this hole. That's probably the biggest gill I've ever caught. That's freaking awesome.
Like I said, 3/4.
Dude.
12 ounces.
That's a 12-ounce gill. Look at the size of this freaking fish. I can't get over it. That is a gosh darn giant. Fought like a truck. Holy crap, that thing was almost a 2 flags. I can't tell. Yep. Biggest pickerel of the day. Let's double up. Said let's double up. Small. Pickerel. Woo! First bass. Peace. No, that thing was gone.
It was in his mouth.
He swallowed it down. A little turd. Awesome. Double up. Sweet.
Go.
Peace.
First bass.
Third bass. I guaranteed it. Put the guarantee on. Dude, nice.
Crushed it. Dude, his lips are almost. Bye.
Yeah. Is that a slimer? Yeah. Andrew just jigged up a slime dart. Dope, dude.
Tiny little dude.
Jigged up that moth. Oh, right. Dude, you keep freaking landing on him. Are you kidding me? 2 darts in a row? Eesh. How'd you get like a dart honey hole? That's weird.
I don't know.
Dart hole.
I guess I got lucky.
Well, I missed this one somehow. Just jigged this guy up a second after I sat down. He gave us the worm back too. Peace, bud. Oh, yeah, thank you. Well, glow in the dark, teardrop jig. Got a little wax worm or mealworm there as a trailer. I bite their heads off. It gets all the gooey, ooey stuff oozing out. Fish like that. So they told me. They called me last week. They said, bro, that stuff's tasty. Small.
Hey-o.
Yeah, first bass. All right, first bass of the day for me. Awesome. Peace. Small. Dart. Yep. Nice. Good hook set, dude. Nice freaking hook set, pal. The land of tiny darts today. Still bigger than my decent pickerel probably. Woo! Just a little Larry with a mouthful of ice. He was flying. He felt way bigger at first. Holy shite. Nice. Well, this is a good move.
Yeah.
Bud.
Let's
Hey.
throw a couple more in here.
Really big mark right now. Big ass mark right now.
Hope it's a giant perch.
Got it. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, baby.
That's
Boom. Look at where I got him.
That's perfect.
Bottom of the lip.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Good call staying here for just a couple minutes. Guys, it's still wicked early in the morning. We got a bunch of catches, nothing of size.
Popping in there.
Yeah, jump in, dude. You want to touch it? So yeah, I mean, we're actually about to leave this spot. We're gonna probably be stopping this video in a couple minutes, and in the next video, we're going to a place with some clean water, and we're gonna see if we can get us some fish to catch and cook. That's the goal. So we're gonna let this little dude go. Oh yeah.
Gone. Oh,
Small.
big perch.
Whoa! Awesome. Man, we've caught a ton of fish today.
Yep.
We could like go home and call it a day and be like, yeah, today was fun. It's what, 10?
9.
Awesome. I mean, it's all small, but except for that giant fucking gill.
Yeah, right.
Highlight of the day, monster gill. I'm pumped, folks. We're gonna freaking do this.
It's already a good day.
We're gonna call it here, and we're gonna go and actually try and catch some fish and eat the fish we catch right on the ice with the new stove that my dad got us. Stoked! Thanks, Pops. Tell us what we're doing.
Each gonna get one more jig fish or one flagfish, and then we're out of here.
On to the next episode, folks. So, holy shit, there's a hole there. Yeah. All right, folks, you heard it from Andrew, the man, Knowlton himself. We either each need to jig a fish, or we need to get one more fish on a flag. We're packing up and we're getting the heck out of here. That's it. And like I said, on to the next spot where we will be trying to catch some fish to eat. So the next video will be, hopefully, unless we really suck, a catch and cook. All right, let's do this. Oh, that's amazing. Got him. Woo, little bass. There's a couple down here, Andrew. Come drop in.
Oh, you can see. How deep is it?
Right here, 12 foot.
Yeah. See how it holds it from the bottom, how you were afraid to? That's a bass.
So bass you can hold in the lip. Pickerel have sharp teeth. These guys, if you want to feel it, he's got like a crush plate from like, it's just like
Take
this.
your glove off.
It's like this,
This little nub.
it's like, what's the word for it? Sandpaper, yeah.
You did it before, remember?
See?
Oh, yeah.
It's like sandpaper.
He doesn't.
And yeah, no, these guys, that's why I like catching them, because you can hold them.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of the fish have like teeth and stuff, and you don't want to come up off the bottom. Oh, he was on you. He was on you, dude. I was talking to them and I looked over and there was a freaking fish on me. It was this little guy. Yeah, I'm gonna drop him in real quick.
Oh.
He's on.
Perch. Holy shnikes. Oh man, that's a giant perch. That's bigger than the bass we just caught.
Yeah.
So normally these guys don't get too big. That last fish that I caught, they can get real big. These things kind of max out around like 2 pounds is our state record. That's a giant. Biggin. Peace, bud.
Why don't they want it? Why do they do that?
What, come back up?
Yeah.
They have no idea what's going on when they hit the water. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Where is he? Can't find him. Woo, there he is. Andrew and I are getting the heck out of here. We hope you had fun today. We had fun today. It's still super early. We're gonna call this video quits and we're gonna move on to the next spot. We're gonna start a new video. The next video, I've said it 225,000 times and I don't care. We are going out and we're gonna try for a catch and cook. Let's see what we can do. Never done a catch and cook on the ice, and I've only ever done a couple catch and cooks in general. So we're going to a reservoir, so it's, you know, drinking water, so we know it's fresh, we know it's clean. We're hoping to jig up some fish and fry them up on the new stove. We'll catch you on the next one. If you had fun today, do us a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well, so you'll be notified when we upload the catch and cook video and all the other crazy stuff that we do here on Fishing Grubs. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. Peace out.